The Capacity Management module is based on Teambook users and projects. Installation does not require any special configuration. The Capacity module allows managers to enter and visualize medium-term data, whether it is the capacity of the organization's resources but also the needs necessary to carry out projects. Before going into details, let me emphasize that the unit of measurement for the Capacity module is the number of man-days per month. You can choose between 6 months and 2 years of data and display time-offs or not. Finally, visual clues such as the number of actual days per month and color codes allow you to quickly understand the essentials. Firstly, the Capacity module allows you to enter the number of days of missions that you plan for your resources, month by month. The screen compares these needs with the number of calendar days available, taking into account possible part-timers. Using color codes, you immediately visualize work overloads or underutilization. Once the load forecasts have been entered for each user, you can switch to the capacity view by projects. Although there is no obligation to capture the two axes, it may be interesting to carry out iterations in order to match the available capacity of collaborators to the needs of the projects. 2 utilities make your job easier. First, the operational planning data copy tool, which can then be completed manually. The second tool allows you to distribute a total number of days over the duration of the project. Last but not least, it is of course possible to create future projects and/or resources, in order to simulate your organization in the medium term and thus capture capacity information on this data. In conclusion, the Capacity module is a complement to operational planning. Its time horizon and granularity allow managers to make strategic decisions to ensure the success of the organization. If necessary, do not hesitate to consult the online help or contact us for a more detailed demonstration. Thank you for your attention.